Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. Here I am for the monthly setup in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner for the month of February, and I will be using my Valentine Vibes sticker collection that was released early in January. Let's get started. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is put one of these washi strips up here. Or do I want to put it there? I'm always second guessing myself because I think maybe it needs to go somewhere else. And maybe I need to put different stickers up there. And now I'm holding washi and I have no idea where to put it. Okay, let's just put it down here. And then up here, I'm going to add the love banner. I like that already with, I think, the letters. I'm forgetting about my lovely circles. I'm gonna put one here and then a blue and then one here. One big one. Let's fix this so that it's even. And then we'll put a yellow one. And then I think I can put a few more stickers there, like some of the smaller ones. So maybe the smaller cactus. Oh, that's cute. And I think I could put the quote, all you need is love and donuts. Or cake. I'm a big fan of either. So all you need is love and donuts. I'm keeping the spread pretty clear, although once I start putting stuff down for my social media spread, then I'll have a better idea of where I can add more stickers. So my swatches and dots. Where's my pen? What I'm going to put in this area here, which I'm only really starting this year, is my stats. So I'm just looking into January, keep track of YouTube, Instagram, and affiliates. So write down the word stats. And I'm going to cover that with a swatch. Let's use the yellow. And then underneath it, I will have one for YouTube. So that will be keeping track of total views as well as subscribers. And then for Instagram, keeping track of followers. I think that's the only thing I'm keeping track of on Instagram. Yes. And then underneath that will be affiliates. So keeping track of Atlas Stationers, according to Allie, Hemlock and Oak. Perfect. And actually, I think Amazon as well is a good one to keep track of. So now that that is down, I could actually put something in this little corner. So let's see, what have I not used yet? Let's use the Love Me, Kiss Me right here. Actually feel like I have to move this now. Perfect. So I removed all of those Post-its or those Memo Me's, and those are from Stationery Pal. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is add in IG and YT for Instagram and YouTube every day throughout the month. And this is how I plan out my social media posts. I try to align what video I'm going to film for YouTube with what I'm going to post on Instagram, and try to figure out basically what my feed is going to look like based on this. And it's nice to see everything overall in a monthly calendar, and I refer to this actually quite often and make changes. So it's nice for me to actually see it all in one space, and it is utilized quite well. So now that that is done, I have moved my pen all the way over here, but now that is done, I can start putting in certain things as well. I'm just reviewing, did I do that? No, I didn't. This is the thing, because now I'm in the Sterling ink, it's different, and I also have a separate planner, for example, like my passport planner. I don't necessarily need to do a lot of pre-planning in here for my weeklies, because that's what I actually use my passport planner for. So I'm going to show you guys briefly here. My passport planner is the one that comes out and about with me, and this is where I'm basically doing the pre-planning of important events and things like that, but also my weekly tasks. And this is the one that comes out and about with me. This is one that is not really going to be decorated. It really is just going to be what is happening. Why am I leaving the house, basically? So I won't be putting that in here. So this will strictly be social media. Now, I'm trying to think as well, just give you a view of last month. Obviously there were some things that I switched around, but basically what I do is put in all of the video content ideas, and then I take the corresponding photos to go with them for Instagram. And by seeing it like this, it helps me to plan out the content, because there's going to be some content in here that is the same every month. I mean, for example, every Tuesday is when I do my A5 plan with me. I have a video for my new release stickers. The following week I will be doing my daily journal video, and then there's the monthly setup video. So there are those, plus my progress report and the currently ink. There are those that are just recurring every month, and then that gives me the room to see what else I can fit in where, like new pens and like the blue ink exploration and things like that. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is, do I want to put that all in now? Oh, one of the other things that I also do on the side here is write down which stickers I'm using for the week. That helps me to shop my collection basically, and to look through all the stickers that I do have, and I'm not buying more when I already have a ton of stickers to go through. So I just had to talk that out, and I apologize if that was just a bit of rambling, but it helps for me to talk it out how I'm using this planner. And if this helps you at all, then let me know. Let me know. So I'm gonna start putting back the Post-its, or I'm actually going to go ahead and write it in. And so I'm gonna write that I'm gonna use according to Allie this week. Now, I know that week is Valentine's Day. I don't normally decorate for Valentine's week. I mean, this is the most Valentine's that you'll probably see me do, and that's okay. And then I'll probably do JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop that week, because that is the luxury calendar that I have, or advent calendar that I have that I really, really love using. Then I will probably use the Giving Girl here. And then I will probably use my new release stickers that week as well. So I'm going to start also writing in, for example, like I said, the A5 plan with me like clockwork on the Tuesdays. And then I think the rest I'm going to go in and just put the Post-its back. So the progress report, currently inked, new releases. This is still, I don't know if I'm going to do that review, but then the monthly setup will probably go here. Daily journal will probably go there. All right, so that is the monthly setup for my social media. Let's go to the currently page. So I have tabbed here the February currently page. What I've done ahead of time is actually number out how many pages I'm going to need every month, and I've already gone ahead and added tabs in here. So for example, I've got a tab for where March currently is going to go. So I've allocated one page for every day, and that works with my brain basically, because I want to know that I do have enough pages in here for everything. And if I do say that there's one page per day, then I know that's how much I'm going to be writing, and it has suited me so far actually for journaling. And I think I'm going to be able to stick to that one page a day. So for the February currently, I'll show you what January looks like. January is where I've kept track of my currently inked, my goals for the month, as well as books that I have read. So we're going to basically do the same thing. I'm going to grab my months stickers, or my script stickers, and decorate it in the same type of way, because that seemed to work quite well for me. I do like this truck, the cute little truck with all the Valentine's hearts in it. And then I'm gonna put the February right on top of that. Oh, I like it already. And then putting the donut here. And I'm still referring to how I did it in the last one, so used up all that room. Okay, then put a couple of circles down here with the, oops, long strip of washi. I'm still getting used to how to decorate this because there is no format really. It's kind of open to the way that I want to do it. Cute. And then move this over. Again, referring, gosh, I need my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to just write in the word currently inked. And then I'm going to cover it with a couple of swatches. So let's use the blue. And actually it was really, for me, I keep track of my currently inked in my pen and ink journal, but also I like having it here because then I can easily refer to it while I'm journaling to see what stickers match with which inks I've got set out for that day. Okay, so I apologize for the wanting to keep returning to the other page, but I just want to make sure that I stick to some form of format and consistency. And if this works for me, wonderful. And so far it has. So then we'll put yellow for this one for goals, and then another pink one, whoops, for the books that I have read. Perfect. I actually really like the way that that looks now. I do have a lot of these stickers left, and I think I could add the cactus here. I like it. And then I'll add a few of the smaller stickers around. So the little candy hearts, the little donut. Let's move this over. A little donut here. Then maybe the letters. Do I have one more circle? I do have one more circle. I can put that circle here. So sticker sheet finished. And I can put more of the love letters up here. And maybe the candy hearts. One more. Probably just right there. I think I want to leave it like that. I don't want to add too much more to it. I do have these three, and I'm going to go back to the monthly spread and see if there is anywhere else I can put these. I'm sure there is another place that I can put this one down. And I actually don't have the truck in this one, so let's put the truck down. Is this a good place for the truck? Or I'm gonna put it actually here because I don't normally post anything on Fridays. I'm gonna put the truck there. I'm going to put, I feel like I should put the small love banner on the other page. I'm going to add the candy box here right on Valentine's Day, because again, I don't really post anything on Valentine's Day. And then we will go back to the currently page and use this love banner up here. Perfect. So those 3 sheets are done. Then I can put some of these dots down for my goals. And my goals have been going mostly well this month, really trying to read more, and I may continue the same goals from last month and keep that consistency going for 3 months before I try, like 2 or 3 months before I try to add in any other goal. So, oops, realizing that that has gone down. Oops, oh gosh, and easy peel. Make sure that it's in line with the other one. And then once I put these down, I think I will be all done for my monthly setup. All right, I actually really like that. I love the way it looks. It's so cute. And this provides me with a lot of room to write in my currently inked. Okay, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. I apologize for all the back and forth and all the talking, but I hope this was helpful for you should you need any ideas for doing your monthly setup in your planner. Once again, the Valentine vibe stickers are available in my shop, and I know it's cutting it close to Valentine's Day, but you can definitely still order them as either clear matte or white matte, or if you have the ability to, you can order them as digital downloads as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and before you guys all ask, this pen is from Just Turnings. It is the Aussie Abalone, and the ink that I am using is Robert Oster Sydney Darling Harbor. Always forget to say that. All right, thank you all so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.